They're with a Smith County Adult Probation.
Okay.
You need to speak to your daughter.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Is she here?
Is she here?
What's going on?
We need to speak to your daughter, man. Is she here? She has a warrant for her arrest. I'm going to tell you right now, okay?
Okay.
I need her to come outside and talk to us. Okay?
Okay.
Where is she?
She's in the house.
She's in the house. Okay. Right. Let's go ahead and go to the door and just call her out here, okay?
413 train.
Okay.
Watch the. Is she coming out to us? Okay.
No.
Okay. Well, here, I don't mean to come across threatening to you, okay? But I'm gonna tell you this: you're responsible at this point. We know she's in the house, okay? If we don't get cooperation on this, then the next step is we're gonna need to go in and take her inside, okay? If she doesn't step out and talk with us. If that doesn't happen, then what's going to happen is you're going to go to jail for hindering apprehension.
I'm not hindering.
Okay.
I didn't say y'all can go
I know,
in.
and that's why I started off with. I don't mean to come across threatening to you, okay? Because I don't think you're trying to hurt the situation, okay? But we need her. It's important. We need her to cooperate. We need her to come out and talk to us, okay?
Okay.
Right.
So
what's she doing right now?
She was straightening her hair.
Okay. Right.
What's the warrant for?
Right. It's a warrant that has to do with her situation with probation, and I don't know the details of it, but I just know that she has a warrant. Okay.
Okay. So is she going in today?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Mentally, once before they took her in, she was in suicide.
Okay.
That kind of frightened her. Do y'all have a different side? I mean, because
it's okay. This is all okay. When she comes in, it's how she answers these questions.
Yeah.
That's why.
That's
why that happened.
To the jail on that.
That's jail. The way they have to kill themselves. If they think someone's going to hurt themselves, they have to do that.
Yeah.
So I don't know what she said when she went in last time, but she said something to make someone at the jail think that. Okay, so they have to take precautions, for her safety as well as theirs. Okay, that's what happened. Okay?
I don't know, because I kept telling her to come turn herself in, and I didn't see nothing.
So
in
you
the
tried
mail.
to get her to do the right thing. Okay,
I didn't see nothing
I got
in the
you.
mail or whatever. So I was like, okay, maybe you're okay.
Is she a type of person to run? That's why I said, okay, we need her to come outside, okay? Because at this point, I'm thinking that's what she's doing.
If she does try anything like that today, she's going to make it 10 times worse on herself. Okay.
Okay. Well, she just don't want to be on that side. I mean, I tried to explain to her.
Okay. We'll give her another. She's got another minute to go ahead and come on outside.
The thing is, she also do suffer mental issues. So do
Yes, ma'am. I understand, and we'll see my eyes. We will work with her, okay? But she has got to cooperate, okay? I can't work with somebody who won't cooperate with me. But I will work with her all day long if she will. Is that the only other entrance over there?
Next time they go in there, I'd rather go in with them because you don't know what's in the house. You don't know what they're doing. You have weapons. I want her to, this is your thing, but I would have told her to stare at her, yell at her, tell her to come out. Because she goes in there, we don't know what they're doing. They don't know if they're grabbing.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. It's a misdemeanor, so treading carefully,
I still don't know what's going on in there.
Yeah, that is true. Hey, Miss Wilson? Miss Wilson, Smith County Sheriff's Office. Zachariah?
Yeah. Just calm down.
Step on out here for me,
Calm
okay?
down.
I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. If you'll work with us, we'll work with you, okay? There's a problem that has to be dealt with.
Don't fight back, okay? Just.
But we don't want to stick any charges on you or anything like that, okay? But we got to have you cooperate with us, okay?
Just calm down, girl. It's okay. Take deep breath. Take deep breath.
Anybody else in here? Okay. I'll turn some lights on, okay?
It's okay.
Calm down, okay?
Okay. All right. Come on, let's step on out here, okay? Come this way. Slow down. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me.
It's okay. Calm down.
Okay, easy, okay? Come on, step on this way.
Come on from me, okay? We'll make sure it's good. We're not gonna do anything bad to her, okay? I mean, you know why you have it? Did you not report or something? Is that what it was you didn't report?
Check them for fits. Make sure they're not too tight on you, okay?
Is it fake up here?
Yeah.
So how long is that?
If we'll get a number from the phone.
I don't know. The court will have to let you know more on that. Yeah, if she has a phone, that can go with her, and she won't be able to use it in the jail, but we can get numbers out of it and let her call.
It's under my pillow.
Okay. All right, Zachariah. What all do you have in your pockets? Anything? Okay. Do you have anything on you that's going to get you another charge in the jail? Any weapons, contraband, drugs, or anything like that?
Do you want to take it with you, or you want? Okay, that's fine. We can do that. Okay.
PR4, show one female in custody. Okay. Hey, Chris, I'm going to talk to Mama for a second. If you will, go ahead and take her. I'll unlock the vehicle here. Okay. I'm sorry I had to go down that way, okay? I appreciate you working with us. I know it's a lot. She's your daughter, and I get that, okay? Mm-hmm. And again, I didn't mean to come off crass or mean to you. We get a lot of people, especially parents a lot of times, who will try to fight us on stuff like this. And I've taken parents to jail before over stuff like this, and I don't like to, but we've had them before where they won't try to push against us, and we got a job to do, so.
Right.
But I appreciate you were trying to get her to do the right thing, and she has a lot of anxiety, I can tell.
Yes,
but
and I've been trying to work with her myself on it, and gotta get counseling and stuff.
Yeah.
But she just don't like the sound of it. Like when my dad first got her out, we kept telling him, let her stay in, let her, she did the crime, she need to,
Yes, ma'am.
sit it out. He get out. She ran away. She kept running away and stuff because she was scared of going to jail. So I'll be like, you know what, if you don't come back, I'm going to turn you in, blah, blah, blah. So she'll leave from that place and go somewhere else. So it's been a struggle. And so, like today, it just so happened I was supposed to take her to go to Jacksonville to go try to get her ID.
Oh, yeah.
And my dad was like, well, do you think they have a warrant for her? You can call and see. I was like, I don't know. And he was like, well, if she go get her ID, he was like, you might be doing yourself a favor, and, because they can pick it up or whatever. I think he thought that y'all can pick it up, that, we're trying to get her ID or whatever. Because we all been trying to get her to turn herself in.
Yeah. She just won't do it, huh?
No, she's scared.
Yeah.
She's like, you don't know what it's like in there. And I'm like, well, what? Go get it over with and learn from your mistake. Don't do it no more. You ain't got to go back down now.
Right. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, and that's it's a misdemeanor charge. She's not going to be in there forever. It's just one of those things. I mean, the courts had to deal with it, and I mean, if she wasn't going to turn herself in, well, I mean, that's the only thing we could do is come pick her up, so.
Right.
I mean.
So that's what our dad just told her, just go get it over with. But she acts like she traumatized.
He doesn't live with y'all anymore? Dad doesn't live here anymore? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, he does.
Oh, okay, so he does.
Yeah, he at work.
Oh, I got you. Okay. Right. Well, I really hope for the best for her. It's just, I mean, they gotta take care of it. And I think it started with Tyler ISD, I think, didn't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's been a while. I knew she unenrolled over there, so.
Yes. So and then she went to Rise, but then she dropped out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All because of this. So like now I'm in the process of getting her in homeschool to get her the diploma.
Yeah.
But we just wanted her to turn herself in and be free after, you know.
Well, and I'm gonna tell you, there is no bond on this, so she'll be there till she does go to court and get taken care of. So there's no way she can even try to bond out, you know.
She wasn't toxic for relief, okay?
Yeah, I'm totally okay with that.
They will let me know when court and stuff is.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for being a responsible parent, first off. And secondly, if you have any questions whatsoever, okay, I want you to give us a call. Okay. I may not be able to answer everything, but I will do my best, okay? Because I know you're concerned and I know you're wanting to see what's best for her.
And remember to get some more cards. Always forget about it.
Yeah.
Thank y'all.
Yes, ma'am.
So we had a big one.
Yeah.
Okay. So normally I don't know how long would you say, is it like, how long has she been having a warrant?
The warrant's been issued since January. I don't remember the day in January, but it's been since January of this year the warrant's been out. So that means that she had a positive UA prior to that. Okay. Yeah, and then, she had the positive UA, and then she just, on top of that, she just failed to report. She just stopped showing up. So really, it looks like the warrant was probably because of both of those things right there.
8 months she been on. Yeah, 7 months.
7 months, yeah.
So how long in jail time that is?
It's what is it, misdemeanor?
Yeah.
A. Okay.
I think it's a Class B actually. It's either B or A misdemeanor.
It's Class A. I'm trying to remember. Well, I didn't see who the judge was.
It's County Court Law 3.
3.
What's the name? White. Yeah, Judge White.
I don't know what they offered her prior to her taking probation. That kind of sometimes has a play with what happens.
Okay.
So we can't really say what's going to happen. Okay, and I don't want to lie to you. Okay, that's what I'm trying to get at. I mean, at this point, everything's up to a judge.
Okay.
But we will put in there that she came cooperatively. She didn't give us any trouble. We're going to make sure they knew that. Okay. So,
there's a difference between anxiety and somebody actually giving us trouble.
Okay.
So
we'll do as much as we can for her.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Again, sorry we had to meet this way.
It's all right.
Y'all take care.